A single short video like this can make you hundreds of dollars every week. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can scale your income to $10,000 every single month by combining TikTok with affiliate marketing. You can do this as a complete beginner, because I'm going to go over everything you need to know step by step, from finding the right products to promote, to creating content, and setting it all up for success. So make sure you watch the entire video so you don't miss anything. If you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's when you promote a company's products or services, and you get rewarded with a commission when someone clicks through your affiliate link and purchases that product or service. If you still don't completely understand, don't worry, because it will all make sense by the end of this video. So the first thing we need to do is find an affiliate program with products for us to promote. And one of the best places to do this is ClickBank. To get to ClickBank, you can do a Google search for it, and it should be the first result. If you don't know what ClickBank is one of the best affiliate marketplace because of its really high commissions, and it has a lot of digital and physical products you can promote. As you can see, ClickBank has over 100,000 affiliates worldwide and has paid over $6.2 billion in commissions. Now that you know what ClickBank is, it's time to sign up and make a free account. You can do that by clicking where it says, Affiliates Start Here. Click on Skip this quick start guide. Now you need to fill in your country, your first and last name, your phone number, your email, and create a password. Then click on Continue to Terms and Conditions, and you can close the window. Make sure you have this little box checked and then click on Join ClickBank. Now before we continue, ClickBank is worldwide, but if you don't see your country there when you're signing up, there's another marketplace you can sign up to called Digistore24. You can find Digistore24 from doing a quick Google search. When you get on their website, you need to click on Affiliates, and then click on Start Now. The sign-up process is pretty much the same. Create a username, enter your email, create a password, and make sure you click on I am an affiliate. Then make sure the box is checked, and then click Continue. Okay, let's get back to our ClickBank account. So now that we have our ClickBank account, the next step is finding the right product to promote. After signing into your ClickBank account, you need to click on Affiliate Marketplace, and it'll bring you to a page that looks like this. As you can see, there's a lot of different categories to choose from. When choosing your niche, I recommend choosing one that offers a solution to a problem like the health and fitness niche, the make money online niche, the spirituality niche, or the self-help niche. For this video, we're going to be looking at products for the health and fitness niche. We're going to sort the results by gravity. Gravity is the number of affiliates that have successfully sold these products in the past 12 weeks. There's a few products you can choose from, but we're going to be promoting Pure Aviv. As you can see, a lot of affiliates have been successful with this product, and the average amount they're making is over $130 for each sale they make. If you can make 2 sales a day, that's over $1,800 a week, and that's just from one product. But that's not all. At the end of this video, I'll show you how you can earn even more. You can click here to see what the product page looks like. But what you want to do next is click here on where it says Affiliate Page. Then you're going to want to click on Get Started. Choose ClickBank. Here's where you enter your ClickBank ID, also known as your nickname. If you don't remember what it is, you can find it by logging back into your account, and it will be under Accounts. If you don't have one created, that's okay. You can create one by clicking Create a Nickname. Make sure for account type, you choose Affiliate, and then just follow these requirements when creating your nickname. After you create your nickname, you can now go back to the Pure Aviv affiliate page and enter your nickname. Then you're going to end up on a page like this. Now what you want to do is click here to copy your affiliate link and paste it somewhere you can access it later, or just minimize your window because we'll be back for the affiliate link. Now that we have the product we want to promote, we need to create content to post on TikTok so we can drive traffic to that product. That's where our good friend ChatGPT comes in. Now these next steps are very important, so pay close attention. If you don't have a ChatGPT account, you can create one for free. There's going to be a prompt in the description down below. I'll also have links to everything in the description as well. You need to copy and paste the prompt into ChatGPT and hit enter. Now watch ChatGPT go to work. ChatGPT only gave us 10 questions, so I'm going to tell it to continue until we have 100 questions. Now that we have all of our questions, open a new window and head over to Canva. You can sign up for a free account. After logging into your Canva account, search for quiz in the search bar. Now we need to choose a template. I'm going to choose this one. Now we need to right-click on this and delete it because we won't need it. And we're going to drag this all the way to 8 seconds. We're going to click on this block and extend it all the way out and extend it up a little. We're going to click on the text and extend it all the way out as well. Doing this now will save us a lot of time moving forward. Now we're going to do the same for the bottom, but we'll leave a little space. Now we want to double-click on the text to highlight it and align all of them to the center. You can double-click to highlight the text and change the fonts if you want, and you can also click on the background and change the color. But for this video, we're just going to leave everything the same. Okay, pay very close attention to this part. We're going to right-click on block A and select Show Timing. We're going to hover over it and drag it all the way back to 6 seconds, and then we're going to do the same thing for B and C, so it should look like that. By the way, you can change the colors of these blocks by clicking on them and then selecting a color. Okay, now we want to right-click on block B and select Duplicate. Now drag it away from the rest of the blocks. Click on it and change the color to green. Click on the shadow of the block and change that to green as well. Now drag the block back to where it was. If you don't see the green block at the bottom of the screen, right-click on it and select Show Timing. We want to drag the block all the way to the end and adjust it so it shows up after the first 3. Do you guys see where I'm going with this? If not, you'll see soon. Click on the green block, look at the top where it says Animate, click on it, scroll all the way to the bottom and select Pulse. Lower the intensity a bit. Okay, this is what it looks like right now. It's time to get back to our friend ChatGPT. Copy the first 10 questions and head back over to Canva. Go to the sidebar and click on Apps. Search for Bulk. Click on Bulk Create. I think this is a Canva Pro feature, but Canva normally offers a 30-day free trial to new accounts. Click on Enter Data Manually. Look to the bottom left and click on Clear Table. Right-click over here and paste it in. Now this is very important. Make sure at the top it says Question, Option A, Option B, Option C, and correct answer. Once everything looks right, click on Done. Now you don't want to mess up this part. Right-click on the question and select Connect Data. Now select Question. Right-click on A and select Connect Data. Now select Option A. The green block is in the way, so we're going to move it out of the way for a second. Right-click on B and select Connect Data. Select Option B. Now do the same for C and select Option C. Now we're going to put the green block back where it was. Right-click on it and select Connect Data. Now select Correct Answer. When you're done, it should look like this. We're almost done, but we need to add some sound effects to make it better. Click on Audio and search for Timer in the search bar. Select this one. Now you're going to want to adjust it to 5.9 seconds so it finishes before the correct answer pops up. Go back to the audio search bar and search for Bell and select this one and add it. Now go to Apps, select Bulk Creation and click on Continue. Click Generate and it should bring you to a new tab. Now, let's click Play and see how it looks. Now, we need to right-click on both sound effects and click on Duplicate Track and move them to the other pages like this. Do this for all 10 pages. Afterwards, we need to make sure all of the texts are inside of the blocks and everything looks clean. If the text looks like this, we need to select it, click on Ungroup, and make it fit inside of the block. Before we move on to our final step, if you're getting value from this video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. For our final step, we need to head over to ElevenLabs. You can sign up for a free account. I'll leave the link in the description. After signing in, we need to choose a voice. There are a lot of voices you can choose, but for this video, we're going to choose Adam. Now we're going to type something to grab people's attention at the start of our video like this, and then hit Generate. Click over here to download it and head back over to Canva. Now in Canva, you need to click on Uploads. Upload the file you just downloaded, select it, and that's it. Here's what it sounds like.
How many can you answer correctly?
Okay, now that we're done, we need to click on Share, click on Download, and download it in the highest quality. You can repeat these steps to make more videos. Now that the creating content side of things are done, we need to go and create a TikTok account. You're going to want to create a new TikTok account and name it something that goes with your niche. You should be doing this on your phone, but for this video, I'm going to do it from my PC. After logging into your TikTok account, you need to add a profile pic and a bio. We'll get to the bio later, but for the profile pic, you can create that on Canva. As you can see, they have lots of templates to choose from. When it comes to the bio, you can't have a clickable link in your bio until you have 1,000 TikTok followers. So I'm going to show you 2 ways you can get 1,000 TikTok followers. The first way will take a little bit more time and effort, but it's completely free. Head over to the website AdMeFast and sign up for a free account. After logging in, you need to collect points that will then be used to gain TikTok followers. As you can see, I have 50 points. There are many ways you can collect these points. YouTube likes, for example. All you have to do is click on like, and a YouTube video will pop up in a new window. You need to like the video, wait 2 or 3 seconds and close the window. Then there will be a button here that says confirm. Click on it and you'll be rewarded with the points. I went ahead and did it 3 times, and now I have 59 points. You can redeem your points by clicking on Add Site. Now click here and select TikTok Followers. Add your TikTok username here, change the CPC to 5, and click on Save Changes. The second way to gain 1,000 TikTok followers will cost $10, but it'll get you 1,000 followers within 24 hours. Head over to this website and create an account. The link will be in the description. After signing in, click on where it says Top Up. They have a few deposit methods here you can use to deposit $10 into your account. After successfully depositing the money into your account, click on New Order, then click on TikTok. Select TikTok followers and change the quantity to 1,000. For your link, you need to go to your TikTok profile. Click on the share icon, copy the link, and head back over to the website. Paste it in and click on Send. Okay, so we can finally put our link in our bio, but I don't recommend linking straight to the product. Instead, we're going to create some sort of landing page that will allow us to do much more. To create our landing page, head over to this website and sign up for a free account. The link will be in the description. This is an all-in-one marketing tool. As you can see, it allows you to add links, build a website, do email marketing, has a store for you to sell your own products and more. It's completely free, but you can upgrade to other packages for added features. For this video, we're just going to focus on adding our affiliate links. You can customize how your landing page is going to look by clicking on Design. You can change the layout, your profile picture, texts, the color, and more. You guys can play around with it until you like the way it looks. Now let's go ahead and add our affiliate link. Head back over to My Pages. You can toggle these off for now because we won't be needing them. To add your affiliate link, click on Add Block, click on Links, click on Add Link, and here's where you have to add your affiliate link from ClickBank. So head over to ClickBank and copy your affiliate link and paste it in here. Now add the title of the product and a short description. You can add the product image here by going to the product page, click on Images, download one of these images, and upload it. This is what it looks like. You can change it up to your liking by going to Layouts and customizing it. You can also add multiple products by following the same steps. Pay very close attention. You're going to want to do this whole process on your phone. This link right over here is going to be our link in bio link for TikTok. So copy it and head over to your TikTok profile. Go to Edit Profile, and it should give you the option on your phone to add your link. For your bio, you need to add a call to action to grab someone's attention so they can click your link. Now when you upload your videos and someone checks out your profile, they'll see your call to action and your link, and when they click on it, it'll take them to your landing page with the product you're promoting, and when they click on the product and make a purchase, you'll earn a commission. I'm sure you guys already know how to upload your videos to TikTok, so I won't show you that. But I do want to show you guys a secret method. Head over to this website. The link will be in the description. It's a free-to-use website where you can see what's trending on TikTok. It also has a bunch of tools you can use, but the analytics tool is the tool you guys need to be using. You need to find a popular creator in the same niche as you and enter their TikTok username here. And it'll give you a lot of cool information like what hashtags they're using and what time of day they're posting. So you get to see what's working for them and make it work for you. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Give the video a like if you got value from it and leave a comment if you have any questions. Take care.